The Semester Experience at the Coast is a semester-long residential program for undergraduate students at ECU to come out and spend their entire spring semester on the Outer Banks campus here on Roanoke Island. And the students take classes focused on all aspects of coastal studies, from a humanities focus as well as a harder science focus. They participate in internships here with research faculty at the Coastal Studies Institute and with our partners out in the Outer Banks community. So they get lots of work experience in, and some of them even participate in independent research studies during their semester.
I chose the semester experience at the coast because I love marine life and the ocean, and I just thought it was a great opportunity to learn more about our coast on North Carolina and all the really interesting things at play there. I'm hoping to learn a lot about all the different roles at the Coastal Studies Institute. Since it's interdisciplinary, there's a lot of really interesting people to meet here, from biologists, engineers, and there's a lot to learn just about this one region of North Carolina.
During this program, we really want to give students an opportunity to understand a small coastal community. And so when they come out here, it's important for them to kind of get a holistic view of this community and what it really means to live on a barrier island and to perform research on a barrier island. Part of the program includes a seminar-style course in which the students take lots of field trips throughout the Outer Banks to learn about the history of the area at a place like the Wright Brothers Memorial, as well as the geomorphology of the area. We'll take them down to Oregon Inlet and kind of explain to them several different inlets throughout the North Carolina coast, why specifically it's called the Graveyard of the Atlantic. We'll go and visit the North Carolina Aquarium and to learn about biological and ecological processes here in the Outer Banks. And then we'll do fun things like go out on a boat and get to learn about some physical field research and surveying opportunities and things like that.
I chose the semester experience because I wanted to broaden my palette of where I get my information from. And I want to go somewhere with a completely different scenery and completely different people to learn new things from. My internship is actually pretty cool. I get to do a broad range of everything. I get to dip into marketing strategies. I get to dip into engineering. I get to also dip into pretty much communicating with people of different backgrounds and getting them interested in the things that we do here at the Coastal Studies Institute.
So I'm working in the oceanography and marine hydrokinetic energy internship, and we are working to collect data for many purposes, including trying to come up with better solutions for renewable energy using the ocean, and specifically like the Gulf Stream. And by doing that, we are informing a lot of different groups about different ways to use the ocean for energy.
ECU undergrads should consider participating in this program because, first of all, it's open to all majors. Everybody is eligible for it and everybody can get something from it. So even if you have just a small interest in learning about coastal systems, coastal studies, coastal processes, you can expand your knowledge of that, as well as get some great life experience and work experience through internships, make great relationships with your fellow students and the faculty here, and really enjoy a semester at the beach.